In this video, we're going to be having a look at Bitcoin right now, currently trying to attempt and break out of this triangle. The question is are we going to break out of this triangle, or are we going to stay put where we are and continue going sideways? So, of course, we're going to be having a look at Bitcoin because Bitcoin's king, but we're also going to be having a TA on Solana, Kadena, Ethereum, Shiba. Solana right now, as you guys can see, currently trying to make a breakout. The question is, are we going to test 34? Let's have a look at Bitcoin first before anything else. And before anything, if you guys like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe, leave a like, share it with your friends and family, and let's get straight to business. And of course, guys, if you are a fan of a certain coin, I'm going to be putting the timestamp below. So if you're a fan of Kadena, you could skip straight to Kadena. If you're a fan of Solana, you could skip straight to Solana, and etc. Timestamps will be below. Starting off with Bitcoin, where can we be going, guys, in the near future with Bitcoin? Well, we know this has been the nice little descending triangle that we've been having, or horizontal triangle. We've just been consolidating. Bitcoin has been very, very slow, going sideways and sideways, decreasing in volume, decreasing in volatility. Where are we going? Well, there's two targets. If I take the bottom, the top of the triangle to the bottom, and I take it at the breakout, our target can potentially be 21,000. Now, 21,000 is an interesting target because it meets up exactly with this area right here. As you guys can see right here, sitting at 21,000. Now, if I do take this right here and I put it at the breakout, we come down to 18,614, which is also an interesting target because look at this. Boom. It comes out exactly to this breakout right here. So the ultimate question is where are we going to go? Are we going to break to the downside? Will this be a fake out? We saw a couple fake outs right here, even 3 or 4 fake outs. Or are we going to break to the upside? Well, we're going to need to see a confirmation on the 4-hour time frame before taking any trade, essentially. So if we have a confirmation above this nice little resistance right here, then it would be obviously to the upside. But if we have a confirmation below it, then below support, then it would be good. Another thing that I do want to talk about is if I actually take this right here, this is actually a cross support resistance, it's called. And I'm talking about the closure of the candle. So as you guys can see, we kept getting rejected right here on this cross support resistance. We broke below, and then we essentially kept getting rejected right here at these resistance. So the question is are we going to break out of this double bottom? Are we going to break out of this W pattern or not? If we do, of course, this would be the neckline right here. Let me draw the neckline real quick. This is a neckline. If we do break out of this neckline right here, our target should approximately be 20,718. If that happens, we should make a run to 21,056. So this is my TA on Bitcoin. Let's dive in straight into Solana and see what we can do and see what we can see. So Solana is doing exactly the same thing. We are currently having a breakout. Now, where can we go? Well, our resistance tells us that this is the resistance. This is where all the price action has been happening when we're consolidating. Well, guess what? Boom. Our target brings us exactly to this resistance right here. Now, obviously, we're not going to break down to the downside to $28 because we are currently breaking out. But the question is will this withhold? Are we going to hold this resistance? I mean, this levels right here. Now, if we have a look at the exponential moving average, we are above the EMA ribbon for the first time in quite some time. I would say since right here, since we broke out right here on August 10th, 2022. So almost a month, we broke out these resistance. And in my opinion, we should see a nice little move right here to 34. This would be approximately a good short area. If you guys are in my Telegram signal group, I'm going to be putting a lot of shorts and of course a lot of longs. We know that September, by the way, guys, is a red month, so I wouldn't be surprised if we do something like this, boop, and then come back down. So this is my short TA on Solana, guys. I'm just going to be running through these technical analysis, nothing too crazy. Something that I do want to have a look at now is KDA, one of my favorite coins. Absolutely, I don't even know what it's doing right now, but it's absolutely doing nothing. Altcoins haven't been doing much. We know Bitcoin hasn't been doing much, but right now it's just consolidating, as you guys can see. So inside this big little consolidation that we have been going on right here, we had that nice little fake out on the daily time frame. We came in and now we're having a nice little slow consolidation inside a consolidation phase. The question is where are we going to break out first? Well, it seems like KDA is not holding support right now, and it seems like we want to retest and come back to this level right here sitting at 168. The question is will Bitcoin fake out, or where is Bitcoin going to be, right? Because if Bitcoin does break out, then we could see a massive explosion on Kadena, right? We could see a massive explosion all the way up to 10%, 1.7, 1.68. This could be a good long, of course, if you're trading it. I personally don't like to trade Kadena. I like to hold it. It's probably one of my only coins along with Flux and a few others that I only hold. So we're going to have to see where this goes. Of course, if we do break this level right here, or whichever level we break first, we're most likely going to go and make a move to 1.8. If we break the support, we're most likely going to break 1.41. As you guys can see, the RSI is standing still. Nothing too too crazy, just consolidating. It seems like we want to make that nice little push to 60, 70 to the overbought region, but we're gonna have to see how this goes. Having a look at Ethereum, guys, we got Ethereum 2.0 coming out, of course, this month. A lot of news, a lot of excitement, I should say, but that doesn't mean we are bullish, guys. Ethereum, there's a lot of news happening, yes, but we know that September once again is a red month, okay? And I think that Ethereum price is priced in. The merge 2.0 is priced in already. We saw resistance right here, we saw another one right here, and we saw another one right here, and another one right here. It seems like we broke out of the resistance. Now the question is, where are we going to go? Well, in my opinion, we're most likely going to come back and retest this level right here. I did have a short on Ethereum right here. We were in profit for a little bit. Boom, had a stop loss at 1630. Beautiful stop loss. Came back up. We're now at 1682. So this is why we put stop losses, guys, in my channel. I mean, we would have been down another 4% or 3.55%, or potentially even more if we reach 710 if we didn't have the stop loss, right? Now, right here, we do have a strong resistance. As you guys can see, we got rejected right here, and then right here. So we got a bunch of rejections going on all over the place on Ethereum. And right here, we are nearing the overbought area on ETH, as you guys can see. The last time we were at this region, I mean, it was right here. And Ethereum was way up high. It was approximately at $2,000. So the fact that we're nearing the overbought region right here, that's not always a good sign. Investors are most likely going to be looking to sell at 1710, 1720. This will be a good short area or short target in my honest opinion on ETH right here. So this is my quick TA on Ethereum, guys. Having a look at Shiba Inu, a lot of people have been telling me to make a Shiba Inu technical analysis, so why not do it for you guys? You guys are my fans. At the end of the day, this is a crypto channel, not a Kadena or lunc channel. This is, love for crypto for everyone. Anyways, for Shiba, we've been consolidating uptrend in this nice little channel. The question is are we gonna break back above this channel right here? So zooming in into Shib real quick right here, as you guys can see, boom, we came below, and ever since we came below, we haven't been able to break above it. Yes, we had this nice little 4-hour candle right here, but guess what happened? We came back and closed right below this channel. So this is how important this level is. This is a very important level. We came back up, had a nice little V recovery shape, and got rejected again. The question is are we gonna come back and break and close? Close is the most important one. Are we gonna come back and close above the channel? Because if we do close above this channel, then we could essentially start to consolidate and go up from there, and maybe retest this highs right here at 14 or 15. And of course, if you guys are taking this long, this would be a good long, which would be a 15% pump from here. But as of right now, inside a channel, we are having a nice little channel. So of course, this is a big channel, and inside this big channel, or under this big channel, we have a nice little small channel. So whatever happens first, of course, whichever breaks happens first, that's going to dictate where Shiba goes. If we have a nice little clean closure on the 4-hour, we could be coming back down and retest the 10 area or 10000 area, which would approximately be a 20% dump. And of course, if we break this area right here and close on the 4-hour time frame, we could make a nice little 15 to 16% pump from here. So as of right now, I'm only short on DOT, nothing too crazy. I shorted DOT. I know I didn't say anything about DOT, but I did short DOT on this rising wedge right here. My signal was at 7.7, 7.68. Things are looking pretty good right now. We had a nice little rejection. The question is, are we going to make a nice little reversal or not, or potentially close? Now we know falling wedges, rising wedges are usually bearish, right? And my target for Polkadot is 6.86. So we're gonna have to see where this goes overall. Things are looking pretty good in my short. Overall, I'm pretty short on in crypto. On my trading portfolio, most of the time I will be shorting, but of course on my long-term portfolio, guys, keep that in mind. On my long-term portfolio, I'm only buying. So there's two portfolios I have, one for long-term investments and one for trading. So if I lose it, I don't care. I'm not gonna be too emotional. And what you want to do essentially is, with the gains that you short, DOT, Ethereum, Kadena, Solana, Bitcoin, whatever you do, you want to essentially accumulate more cryptos with that. So this is my video on Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, Kadena, DOT, and Shiba. If you guys like this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow.